Yeah, you're rolling.
Tenerife, baby! Going into
What's up, vlog? We're on our way to Tenerife. We booked the trip
5 days ago.
like 4 or 5 days ago, and we got our tickets for.
I think
We got
like
the
6
ticket
days.
we're on right now is like it was like $25 each, and the one back was like
28.
28.
There's this new limited edition, like seasonal flavor.
It's limited edition for the spring.
And it's lavender. I got the cappuccino.
I got the
afraid of
matcha.
me.
The color's lavender. It's pretty good. Do you like matcha?
I love matcha.
Boom.
We almost just missed our flight.
You don't even want to know what we just went through. But we're on our way to get our car. It's a completely different car than the one we booked. I'll tell you about it later. Oh, shoot! What are we gonna name her? We got this for the price that we were gonna get this tiny little stick shift. No way!
Guys, this is when everything happens for
I'm so grateful. We are
Like,
gonna
we
give
need
you guys a whole story
Yeah.
later about how everything happens for a reason and God was on our side today.
No,
Can we go to the grocery store?
we should go
Get
once
some
we
snacks?
get there.
Woohoo! We're just happy
I'm
to
just
be in
I
the
think
car.
I think both of us being together during what just happened was so.
Oh my God, we were
like-
holding hands, like praise God. I especially, because I
I'm
kind of
s-
made the mistake. I was like, praise God, I'm with Monica.
But I
now.
wanted to be like, it's gonna be okay. Like everything's gonna be okay. Can't figure out how to turn up the volume.
Go to the.
Okay, dogs out. We're off, ladies. The horsepower is crazy.
wild. Stopping at Mercadona to get some snacks. Got a little bit of a rat's nest going on. I don't know if you can see this. What was I gonna say? Oh, we don't know if we need to wear shirts or not.
I feel like we're Hawaiians. We're like, I do this in Hawaii all the time.
I'm from Hawaii. They're like, no, you're not. You're pale.
Should we get our? It's my favorite place in Spain. Oh my God!
Look, it like grinds the oranges as it does it. People are probably watching us film this. Like,
Oh my God!
do you like this one?
Like 40.
This Lomo. That's the
Yeah,
best
I
kind of.
love Lomo.
Yeah, let's get that.
Is that a boogie
Bro.
Adeline.
What?
That is unreal.
Oh my.
You guys.
Wait, where should I go? This way?
Yes.
This is pretty surreal. Yeah, we got stuff for like
We
a
got
cheese
some-
board.
We got my favorite thing ever.
She can eat like a bag in one sitting. That's
yeah.
like her special talent.
And if we're thinking about this,
We have like 20 minutes to sit here and eat. We don't have a long time before we have to go. We have to drive to go to our we're going on a 4-wheeler tonight for 3 hours.
She's already getting the cheese ready.
I'm so hungry.
We'll talk to y'all later. We're gonna eat.
Trying to hurry and get ready before we have to go. So excited though.
I'm trying to untie her quadruple knot.
Something's wrong with my shoe. It's so knotted.
Is it that tight?
Yeah, it's tight. I can keep working on it. Oh, now he's handing out helmets.
Where are you from?
Colorado.
Colorado. Where are y'all from?
Islands.
Ireland?
That's awesome.
Oh, I want to go there. All right, baby. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, this is badass.
I'm gonna. Why is this so big on my head?
You look good. Loading up, boys. Oh, are there 2 vans? My boy.
My boy.
Wait, what's your name? Rico? Good to meet you. There they are. Well, I'm driving. Hold on to me. The rain has started, so our man here is gonna give us some lunches.
Yep, sweet pastry.
Oh, thank you. Look how beautiful. It's so pretty. We just got summoned back to our 4 hours. Motocross flashy flashy. Opa.
Vámonos.
Vámonos. Oh, it's pink.
No alcohol.
Okay, good.
I wouldn't leave you driving.
I was like, what up, crew?
My favorite part of that whole thing was when we were going back down, it was like you could see the entire view of the ocean and the other island, and it was beautiful. Like,
Thinking to myself, I was like, it's so crazy that this is a Saturday during the school year.
I know. And we're just in the Canary Islands,
like that all the time. Like
off the coast of Africa. Like, what is going on?
I was like, I'm with like a brand new friend on a 4-wheeler while I'm studying abroad.
going up the volcano, the highest point in Spain. Fun fact.
Oh yeah, we were at the highest point in Spain.
Yeah, right. It says backpack.
Backpack?
Backpack.
Backpack?
Backpack.
Oh my, we're gonna drive. We have a long...
Girl, you just dropped like 10 pieces of cheese.
I know. Got it. Side-eye. Here is our...
You need a shower and then we'll do it.
I'm gonna shower. I'm about to take a shower because I reek. Don't tell anybody.
Stinky.
Stinky. Don't tell anyone. But we made it to our hostel and it actually is so cute. And I get awkward vlogging in front of strangers. We're looking back at some of our photos right now from our dune buggy trip. Oh. Wait, you gotta be... That just takes the cake. Anyways, this is our hostel room. This is my bed. There's Monica's bed. I mean, right outside our dorm, you can see the stars. But this is like a main area. The rooftop part. This is Tenerife. This is where we are right now. We're all the way down south. This is what we 4-wheeled up today. It's actually a good visual to show you guys. There's gonna be like coffee in the morning. So I'm excited about that. We are all ready to go out to the pub. People we've met in our room so far, we have United States, Italy, India, Germany. We're looking at 4 countries so far. Argentina.
Cuba.
They're all so That's just what's so fun about hostels is everyone is from literally all over the world.
Hello. From India.
Michelin star chef.
Will be.
Yes, studying in Switzerland from India.
Yes. Tenerife. Yes. So excited.
And we're going to the pub.
We have 2 chefs, 1 vlogger,
Yes, we have a lot of talent in this room.
1 psychologist.
I'm from Germany.
Germany. Italy. Where's our...
Lithuania.
How do you even...
Lithuania.
What? What does that mean?
After explain.
I'm not saying that.
Why not say it? Look with me. El que no apoya, no folla.
Polla means like penis and folla means like sex.
she can tell you because she's from Spain, she knows. It's the rule, it's classic. Say
Que no el de para arriba, para abajo, para el centro.
Oh, it's time to dance. Let's see it, sweetie. Oh God. You have to use like more force.
Yeah, you have to be more forward. You have to use
With all your might. But clean.
Thank you very much. I'm really hoping you're having a good one. We did it so fine. We had a
It's 2 in the morning. Okay, we are now headed to La Playa. Back at the hostel. Vlog don't stop.
The beach. She almost locked the.
Almost locked the keys in the car.
Oh, if you
That
guys saw
would've
the
been the cherry
realization
on
we
top.
had.
It was a good day.
It was a good day.
You're
You
not
know-
giving me any pressure here.
Sorry. I could have had. There was lots of lows, but they weren't even lows to me.
They weren't even lows, they were just part of the journey.
They were just, we're gonna laugh about it type lows.
There they are.
Like that low that just happened.
Okay, good night, guys. Well, the sky's completely, it was raining so bad. And now it's beautiful. I mean,
La
would you like to say good morning to the vlog? Hello. Guys, this is where we say goodbye. I'm gonna wash these. Here comes the sun. Hit the road, Jack.
These roads are actually crazy. That's what our next 14 minutes.
Look at the view. This is just unreal.
Cracker.
It got better. We're like geeking out right now.
Like, I don't think. Ready, y'all? This is probably one of the prettiest drives I've ever done in my life.
This is also the most intense drive. I'm about to whip this. I'm about to whip this.
Wow.
We're headed into this town called La Masca, a questionable place. Oh my god! Look at
Guys. El Sevilla.
actually yes. Really got coffee. And we thought we ordered banana bread, but it's like banana pancakes. Oh yeah.
Pretty good.
I just salami.
Excuse me, can we sit here?
Yeah, of course. Sure.
Yes, it's okay. It's okay.
The story with our car, real quick, is that yesterday we went to pick up our car. We go to this place called Top Car. It's where my Discover car rental told me to go. And we go and we're like, we have a car. Here's like the booking number, and there were some things that were a little sus because I never got a confirmation email.
Which was the first one?
But my card got charged. And so we're there, and people probably think we're crazy.
I was just thinking that. That's why I was like looking down at my pancake.
Because I'm crazy.
Oh my god, I'm not gonna see. Oh,
yeah,
yeah, people again.
That's my mindset all the time.
I'm like,
Okay. Anyways.
Thank you.
Oh,
my friends just left. I wonder why.
wonder why they left. Anyways, they're pulling up my last name and the booking number, and they're like, we have nothing. Like, there's nothing on our end.
They were like,
you don't have a booking with us.
They're like, we see that you tried to book 2 times, but there's nothing. And
Nothing's
we're like,
there.
well, we booked for you guys. Like, we literally got.
I'm like showing them my bank. I'm like, here's the charge. And they're like,
Basically,
we
they
can't
just said,
help you.
we can't help you, and if you want a card, it's
Call
400
Discover.
euros.
Yeah, and then he flips his computer and he's like, here's a card we can give you. 400 euros. Next question, how can we get a car? And he's like pulling up cars that we were gonna get, and he's putting my name, and he was like, wait,
Your booking
He was
is here.
Your booking is here. He treated us like we were his daughters. Anyways, we ended up getting a really awesome car. It
I, like,
genuinely
walked out of that
it was
airport.
so stressful.
We decided we're gonna jog up the hill to our car.
Tenerife, baby! Woo! We just got to the cutest little town, and we're about to go to these natural pools that are all right here. Okay, update. It's closed. Can't tell you how happy I am to be in my rainbows again. It's the start of the 2025 season. There's a crab?
I almost just got dragged by a wave.
Guys, holy crap. Oh yeah, that's good. We got a salad. I'm a little sussed out by these. Okay, say Coca-Cola without showing your teeth.
Coca-Cola.
Oh, try again.
Coca-Cola.
Oh, gotcha.
Coca-Cola.
No, like
What do you mean?
Coca-Cola.
I can see your teeth.
Oh, shit. We just got ready so fast.
So fast.
And we're headed to the sunset. It's called 500 Stairs to Heaven or something, I don't know. We just listened to every single throwback in the book on our drive here.
They were all
They were all really good.
we're all our daughters.
Okay, see you at the sunset. Holy crap.
Ni hoy no, pero con las 3 muelas tampoco.
No, o sea, me refiero, exacto, con esto.
Okay, we're in a really weird part of town.
Like scary.
Our hostel is over there,
Okay, I'm calling.
but we're calling them because we don't even want to drive down this scary driveway.
Hi.
Hola, ¿es el Hostal Lagarto? ¿Sabemos si estamos en el lugar correcto?
Do you see like a light or something?
Like Christmas lights?
No, I put. Oh god. Do you want me to send you the location? We are not in the middle of nowhere, but we are like. Thank you.
Thank you.
Camino La Palma.
9-minute drive.
The road's so narrow to the hostel now. We're at a completely new spot. Okay, get in. Wait, I might need help getting down this part. No, I think I got it. Are we here? Still have to go around here. But that is like,
Okay, we're just gonna have to go.
okay.
Because it's the location he sent. If we're gonna get kidnapped.
No way this goes.
There's the stage.
Guys, is that the parking spot we have?
It says it's like around the corner. Can you roll up your window?
Yeah, I lock the doors.
I don't know how to. I think you have to. I think you gotta lock the doors.
Okay, shut up. Shut up. I'm gonna call my mom and see if she'll get us.
I'll tell my parents after we arrive.
Okay. Not the wild dog. Monica.
Oh my god, this is worse.
Monica. Are we getting kidnapped? Is he like...
Stop. Go back. Can you reverse? Reverse.
Why?
I don't like this. Reverse.
I can't go anywhere. I need to turn around up here.
I don't like
I would
this.
need to turn around. Wait, actually, wait. How do we figure out how to lock the doors? Where do you lock the doors? What does that mean? That means like bad product?
Please, I really don't like this. You're gonna have to reverse.
Where? Okay.
Wait, keep going.
I'm seeing.
Keep going.
This it? No.
Reverse. Can you reverse? Don't go up into the driveway.
I don't know where. Okay,
reverse.
it says this is it right here. Okay, yeah. Let's reverse and get out of here.
Perdona. Should I ask her?
Yes.
Perdona. ¿Es esto? Nos ha mandado que eso es un hostal? Que nos dio la dirección aquí y es que...
Junior, ven. Junior. No. Ya te digo que ahora suban, encuentran un store y como a 200 metros.
Creo que entró
Junior,
en la
ven.
casa. Pero a saber.
Junior,
Asegúrate.
toma. Junior.
She said it was that road that we...
No. Then why did he send us here?
He sent us to the wrong direction.
What just happened? We are getting messed with right now. I thought like, and I don't like getting messed with.
What is going on?
Wait, okay, should we go like sit at the bar?
Watch the game. Like that was the scariest. I don't think I've ever been so scared in my life. I have no service.
Maybe we need like music again.
I just can't though because...
So left?
Take a right. No, wait.
Where are we going?
We can't take a right anyways. Turn left.
Should we stop and get a Coke Zero?
Yeah.
I feel like I need to like see people. Like, sweetie, you gotta tell me where to go.
I have no clue.
We can pause the vlog. Let's turn the vlog. We just spoke with our man.
The hostel. We're going down the first road that Adam was like, hell no, we're not going down that road, but we're
going down it.
Here.
We're here. This has good reviews. This has good reviews. Can we call him? I'm not getting out. Where is he? Sir? Can you tell him to come outside and get us?
It says Lagarto.
On a dumpster sign. We could be falling for the trap still. Okay, so they're just
they
like
look
happy.
nice.
They look like happy.
They look like this is normal. Should we follow them?
Oh.
Follow them.
Can we go in too?
¿Podemos entrar también? Yeah, can we go in too? This is the hostel. First I need to check in. I don't want to even get out of the car. I still feel like I'm in a trap.
Okay, just stay together.
We'll be back.
We're here. I feel like everyone's like against me right now at this hostel because we are so scared. But we made it. It's actually really pretty. I'll show you. There's a pool, hammocks, there's like common spaces. Monica's taking a dump in there right now. Good night. Tomorrow we're getting up at 6 a.m. to do a sunrise hike.
World in my hands like it's no thing. Jacket same color as the smoke stains. Pray to God that I never grow old, but I also pray to God that I...
Got the roosters crowing. It's a good morning. There's mountain goats. Oh, good morning vlog.
Hey y'all.
From the top of the world. Braiding with a view because look what
I was like, meh.
I thought you were mad at me when I woke you up.
Oh no.
I was like, Mom, let's go. I also was driving like a maniac.
Yeah, I was kind of scared for my life a little bit, but it's okay. I stayed silent and was listening to Lumineers.
I didn't even put on my eyebrows this morning.
I didn't.
Monica's never done a sunrise hike.
Which is crazy.
Isn't that crazy?
This view is crazy.
So we just got cafe con leche at the beach. I just went up to the store and made friends with this guy. And I think I'm gonna rent a surfboard from him for a little bit. And then I went to this kitchen next door. There's just like some old men in there. And they were like, just come on to the back, come on. So I was just in the back with them while they were making, yes.
Oh.
Don't get better than this. Is that coffee?
Show them the view.
We just rented a surfboard, so we're going surfing now. We got our wetsuits. Is that our board?
Este es el primer wax que se hace en Canarias.
Going into the water. We're gonna take turns surfing.
Okay, this is Monica's first time surfing. We'll see if she can get it. I'm gonna try and teach her. Can you get it? Well, here we go. Strap in that bad boy. We're set. Hey, feet off the edge. Okay, there's a wave coming. Turn around. Paddle, 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 paddle. All right, up. Yeah!
I got unlucky with the waves.
She didn't catch one, but... Okay, our surf shop best friend that we just met and spent some of the morning with. And when we were leaving, he was like
He was like, this is the old, like, this is original, only original with Tenerife, like, older than my great-grandpa. He gave it to us for free.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Mmm.
Oh my god.
It's like a coconut Kit Kat. Out, run away to a white sand beach. And it's close to the airport because we got a flight. I think my face got some sun. So now we're gonna go.
What was our friend's name?
I don't know. Alejandro. What the heck?
Get out of my head, bro.
All right. Oh yeah, it's saying back right. Now we're at a really good beach. We're gonna probably take a nap. We are go. Don't stop. Our server just hands us a phone, and he was like,
Literally just slaps it on the
look at the comida.
and it's just like an album of the food.
Fish looks really good. Steak, alright. No complaints, baby. What do you think?
It's really yummy.
It's really yummy.
Look how yummy that looks.
What is that?
What is that? Octopus? That's octopus tentacle.
And that was good.
No.
Lunch is served. This is the before of us picking up our car. It just is this bad.
It's just once we
It also we're still at the beach and we have to get ready for a flight, so we're gonna take a shower at the beach shower.
And all I see is change.
We got our swimsuits drying. We took the craziest shower, and I did my bag in the back. And let's see how we're looking up here now. Oh, it's looking good. Getting acai bowls at this place called Oakberry. It's What do you rate it? These are good. Okay, off to the airport we go.
put our bathing suits. He's coming.
Yes, I did. We're having a chug contest.
I keep it focused, man. Had to write this before I fall and I start tripping. I just went into a portal to the
Just